Okay folks, back at the dump today. This is where I was digging last time, I think. Just on the surface I got this nice marble. It's like a cookies and cream. Missed that one last time. That's beauty. I brought a friend with me today. It's Wes. He's over there. His wife is up on the top of the bank there somewhere. Gonna introduce him to the joys of digging in 80-year-old garbage. For bottles, marbles, relics, who knows. Alright, so we're gonna continue where I left off at that slip. See what we can find. Okay, I'm doing good on the marbles today. Just dug a swirl there. I got a slag swirl, a blue one. And I'm pretty sure that's a Viceroy Conqueror marble right up front there, the orange and kind of cloudy base. And as I was pulling that little blue swirl out in the hole, can you see that orange label there? That's a orange crush. So we'll see. Set you up here. See if it's whole or not. And it's busted. Top's gone off of it, and it's a nice one too. It's all there. Bummer. Yep. Oh well, next time. Okay guys, I'm right down at the base of the dump. And I don't know if you can see it down there, but I'm pretty sure that's a shooter marble. You can see the yellow or reddish clay there. So I'm going to see if I can get the rake and get this out, because it's way in there. It looks nice too. I don't know what it is. Where are you? Oh no. I lost it somewhere. Hopefully it didn't go down in the void. I'm going to shut you off for a minute. Alright, finally got it out and I lost it again. Look at this thing. That is nice. I think pretty sure that's a Viceroy. That is killer. A lot of rust stains on it and stuff, dirt. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep going. Alright, just found this nice blue crown. Look at the color on that. Pretty weak embossed. Oh, there it is. Crown. Nice. I'm just trying to remove this slip tree stump here so I can get in there. Some couple roots down the bottom I gotta get rid of. But I think it'll be worth it. Okay, got that tree stump moved and I'm on to another marble. This beautiful one. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Look at that. It's got a green base to it. I like. Let's dig some more. That's an above average marble too. That's probably 7/8 maybe. Nice. Alright, got me another marble that's pretty much right on surface. Look at this thing. Look at that. Is that not nice or is that not nice? Beautiful. Probably an alley swirl or something. Not sure. Beauty.
Sorry, dude.
Okay.
I feel bad.
Wes just got a nice orange crush bottle here. Let's see the back of that.
Yeah.
Look at that. There's Crushy, the little man
Oh,
in
yeah.
the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Sweet.
All right, keep
So
keep that in the shade.
5 marbles in this so far.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
Well, at least somebody got an Orange Crush today. Mine was busted.
Yeah. I feel bad being here.
It's no big deal, man.
You still have that heavy thing you could throw at me? The inky?
The inkwell, that's like solid glass. Yeah, I still got it. Right on, good job.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm back. I found a crazy marble. I've never found one like this. It's like a blue base. It's got white swirls going all inside the marble. No idea what that is. Anybody know? Beautiful. Got lots of bubbles in it too. Sweet. Guys, this is insane. 2 items just fell out of the sidewall. One is a marble. Looks like a Viceroy or something. But look at that. That's a car with all 4 wheels on it. Upside down. So we'll grab the marble first. Yeah, it's just it's a nice green and white. But look at this thing. Let's have a look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's even got the dude in it, and it's got a number 3 on the back. That's freaking amazing. Wow. That is killer. That is definitely coming home with me, man. Yeah, look at that. Number 3. Dale Earnhardt's number. That is sick. That's got to be from like the 30s. That's absolutely amazing.